Welcome back, beautiful people. Thanks so much for coming. So we have a showdown today. Showdown, guys, on the Mindful Souls versus the Crystal Council. Which one is gonna win? So Mindful Souls, I'll put the pricing down here somewhere if I remember, but this was $48, I believe, for 3 months, and then you get a free meditation box. So if you didn't see the meditation box for the Crystal Council, go check that out. Okay, so Mindful Souls is a spiritual crystal collective type spiritual box. So usually there's 6 to 8 items. I believe it's like $38, I think. And this is the Seeker box. So it's not an actual comparison. Like, I think there's a few other boxes. This is the lower box, just because I wanted to try it out. So let's see what's in the Seeker box and see if it's worth it. So if you're into mindfulness, spirituality, meditative type products, you might like some of these. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. And then we get a sticker. It says positive mind, positive vibes, great life. Ooh, that is awesome. Okay, and then we have a card. And this says Referral. Probably saying that wrong, but it's called the cleansing stone. It's used for protection, grounding, and strength. Referral is a newly discovered crystal that protects the physical body from low vibration thoughts, feelings, and emotions. Its grounding energy resonates with the root chakra and helps cleanse the environment around us. That's pretty awesome. And then on the back, it shows all about the chakras, zodiacs. Oh, Capricorn, Cancer, and Scorpio. I'm a Cancer. What are you? Okay, planets are Earth, again. So it even gives like descriptions of the chakras here. So the newly discovered stone is from our friend's mine. You are literally one of the first people in the world to have this mineral. That's pretty awesome. So in this whole box, there's one crystal, and that's it. Okay. Oh no. So one crystal, which is this one with all the description on here. Let's check it out. It's nicely wrapped, labeled. Okay. And remember to cleanse your stones when you receive them with some natural water. Cool water. Ooh, look at this. This looks very volcanic. It's not heavy at all. It's very light. And it has some interesting grooves, and this is definitely different. So I want to see that. There's no like colors that I'm picking up on. It just looks very earthy. It's pretty cool. Anybody ever heard of this? I know it says it's new, but yeah. So there's that. That was easy. And then we have Mindful Souls. Hashtag Mindful Souls. It says open up to the world of inner peace and self-love. Okay, so get a good look right here. Oh, this is different. It's like a little booklet. They're always dusty. I don't know why. Okay, so the transforming magic of self-love. Okay, monthly affirmation. Love surrounds me and everyone around me. That's what that's saying. Oh, this is interesting. So welcome. Welcome to the first edition of Mindful Souls magazine. You've been asking for guidance in your spiritual and personal journey of self-discovery, and we're proud to say we are ready to take your experience to a whole new level. There's lots more that they talk about here. Some new arrivals, some stones and things. And then, do you know your self-love language? Ooh, that'd be a nice quiz to do. Let me know if you're interested in that. And then it says your self-love language, and it gives you a description. Ooh. Okay, so let's jump into the box. It looks like that. So you get a card. It tells you the items inside the box and their meanings. And you get an affirmation card. This one is quite huge. I don't remember the other ones being that big, but it's an affirmation for prosperity. I love that. Prosperity. My good comes from everywhere and everyone. Nice card. Okay, and then you get a sticker, which this is hand-picked, like with a lotus flower. So that's super cute. Okay, and then you get the little baggies. So we'll go through them, and then I'll explain which item means what. Okay, so open the first little baggie that I see. Looks like a bracelet. Ooh, that looks really pretty. And it's got a little yoga, like meditating. I like this already. So this says Amazonite bracelet. Amazonite, like Amazon, like the river, jungle, is known as the lucky hope stone. Oh, this is really nice. As it will be lucky for your hopes and dreams. It brings calming and soothing energies, making it especially useful in times of stress. Very good. They are also powerful healing crystals for the throat chakra, helping to magnify your intentions and affirmation. Okay. Okay, so this is really, really cute. I like that already. Let's get into the next bag. What are you guys thinking so far? Okay. Ooh, it looks like another necklace. This is cool. Hold on. Might have gotten a little tangled. Yeah, we'll figure that out. But this is what this is looking like. Some embellishments here. Looks like flowers. And this is the red stone necklace. Red jasper. Ooh, is no ordinary stone. It is a perfect stone when it comes to releasing old fears and suppressed emotions. Its vibration focuses on spiritual grounding that resonates within the lower 3 chakras. All about the chakras today, huh? And creates a strong connection to earth. Red jasper is a highly protective stone known for building one's strength and guarding against all kinds of threats. This is a great stone and description. So there's another goodie. Where's the bag? Moving on. Oh, we got something a little heavy here. So let's see what's in the bag. Oh, kind of doesn't fit. Ooh, this is cool. This is super cool. Look at that detail. Do you see the blue that reflects off of there? It's like a little faint, okay? And then we have some stripes with gold. All right, let's check it out. This looks like tiger's eye stone. Yes, and you can see that eye right there. Tiger eye is a powerful stone that aids harmony and balance and helps you release fear and anxiety. Again, with the fear and anxiety. It stimulates taking action and helps you make decisions with discernment and understanding and unclouded by your emotions. Tiger eye may bring good luck and protection from the evil eye to the wearer. Well, this is very nice. Very, very nice. Meaning too. Okay. We have an oil here. Ooh, it's patchouli. I love patchouli. So it says patchouli on here, but it says surprise aroma oil. Often we receive signs from the universe, which at times can be difficult to grasp. This special aroma oil is one that has been left entirely up to fate. So this was a surprise. So patchouli is soothing, boosts energy, promotes harmony, and I love this packaging. So let's give it a sniff. If you see this thing above my head here, those candles are patchouli. So here's the oil. Give it a whiff. Ooh, ooh, actually, ooh, gotta back off just for a second. It's very intense. So a little will go a long way, for sure. But I do like patchouli. Okay, let's get into the next baggie here. Next little baggie. Ooh, look at this. Guys, can you see? I want you to see, like, it's very clear. It's not as dark as it's coming across. Maybe if I show it on a different angle. Oh, you can see it a little bit, but it's super clear actually. And there's like little specks. Where's my thing? I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is Smoky Quartz Sphere. Oh, look at that detail right there. There you can see some of the stone. Smoky quartz is a protection stone that cleanses and clears negative energy. It is also a grounding stone that transmutes negative energies and facilitates your ability to get things done in the practical world. Smoky quartz is a nature stone of endurance. If you need an extra boost, carry a smoky quartz gemstone with you. It promotes personal pride and joy in living. Creativity opens the path for perception and learning. I love, 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 love that. Okay, and lastly, guys, since my battery is dying and we need to wrap it up, this last one. Oh, nice. This is a necklace slash bracelet. So if you have small wrists, you can fit it on there. So this is Indian agate bead necklace bracelet. The essence of Indian agate is meditation, joy, and exploration. Because of its harmonizing qualities of agate and its emotional energies of removing and releasing resentments and bitterness, it is also considered by many to be an excellent stone for helping to heal and improve relationships. So this one is super cool. It's dynamic. So in total, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items as promised. Which one was your favorite item? Let me know down in the comment section, guys. Mindful Souls, more to choose from. Of course, it is more pricey than the Crystal Counsil, but remember that this is a collaboration. I forgot to mention that in the beginning, with Wellness with Frugal Mama. She does have the apprentice box on the Crystal Counsil, so hers is probably going to be different. I can't wait to see what she got in her Crystal Counsil and in her Mindful Souls, guys. So if you haven't seen her video, I will leave that also in the comment section. Feel free to go check it out. Let me know which one, again, was your favorite item. And if you're coming from Frugal Mama's channel, let me know in the comments as well. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and like. If you can share, that'd be awesome too. And as always, guys, stay safe.